Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you easy app guide how to clear all browsing data all time in Chrome on your Android phone. So let's get started. In case you have before that you have to open your Chrome browser first. In case you want to clear up some space or you want to give your privacy on your Chrome, you can clear your browsing data by tap the three dot at the top of your screen. You can clear browsing data by using this feature. You can go to all time, less 24 hour is all the time you can adjust. And also there is another setting like cookies, cache, and other set data. You can go to the more option here. So maybe you wanna clear the cookies, cache, image and files, and many more. And after that you can clear the data. And there is another way. You can tap your profile and go to the more settings, or you can go to your profile again. You can tap the three dot at the top of your screen and go to the settings and try to search privacy and security. This one, clear browsing data, clear history, cookies, set data, and cache. This one, you can free up some megabyte or gigabyte if you have if you never clear your case. You please do it to free up some space and make your Chrome faster. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.